you're aware, recently, through media and through various other sources, we have been hearing about many children going out of the state, staying in illegally established institutes, and there have been cases where children have been food poisoned and to succumb to it and even passed away. So, with this alarming situation that is arising where children are being taken out of the state illegally, we thought as a commission that we will have a multi-departmental meeting where we have representatives from the Department of Education, the police, the health, the labor department, and also the law department. And we decided that we'll just have a sort of a brainstorming session where suggestions will be taken from various departments, where we would come up with a certain SOP, some kind of a guideline, some kind of a policy to ensure that children who are being taken out of the state need to be taken only after certain permissions are being given, certain prerequisites are being done. And that is the reason why we had this meeting. And today we had some very valuable suggestions from the various departments. Once we come up with a document, we'll be happy to share it with you. But as of now, there are certain, suggestions that we have got, and we need to note them down, and we will get back to you regarding this.